Do you have a commercial building that has an in-use or out-of-use grease trap and it's overflowing, it's clogged, you don't know what to do with it? I'm Britt from WBTreece Consultants and WBTC3.com. Our firm performs these grease trap inspections. What happens if your grease is running out into your grounds, if it's backing up into your plumbing lines? What happens if you don't get this inspected? Give us a call, shoot us a text, an email. We're happy to come out and look at it, talk the project over with you, and brainstorm some solutions for how to get your kitchen back in working order and how to keep the county or your city off your back about the health implications as well. Check us out at WBTC3.com. Thanks again.